Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I always go on coupons.com to see if there's any new coupons to print, and a lot of coupons reset. So if you guys couldn't get inserts and your stores allow you guys to get printable coupons, you definitely want to go back to coupons.com. Now I tell you guys this every single day. I tell you guys this. I print from Swagbucks. What you do is you go to stores and coupons and then you click on grocery coupons and it takes you to the coupons.com site. You get a point for every coupon that you print. I do have a referral link below if you guys do want to click it, otherwise it's not a big deal. But you guys do get points for every coupon you print. I save my points for a free Christmas. I'm just telling you guys this. Why not get paid for printing? I tell you guys this every single time. But they did reset the Colgate toothpaste coupon did reset. The Nivea did reset, and the Arm & Hammer, and also the Colgate mouthwash. So you definitely want to print those off. The Arm & Hammer you can only print once, but the Nivea and the Colgate you guys can print twice. Just wanted to share with you guys on that in case there's some deals. They did have the other Arm & Hammer. Now we do have a new coupon, $1 off any Wrigley confectionery chocolate. So we have $1 off of 2 if you guys want to print that. We have $1 off Listerine if you guys need to print that. $1 off Clorox. So you guys, my camera died on me. I thought I had a little bit more time, but it died. But what I was saying is there's $1 off for Clorox too. The Airwick is still available. Now they did add a new, I think the Bayer $1 off aspirin is new. And then we have $1.50 off the Left Field Farms, $1.25 I meant. So if you guys need to do that, the KY coupon is still available if you guys need that. Theraflu, $2, Airwick, all these are still available. I'm not sure what I printed off the other day, but yeah, so we're just gonna go down and keep going in case you guys need to print any of these coupons. But yes, and then sorry, that background noise is my husband. But then we're gonna go all the way to the bottom. The ones that did not reset for me are the Godiva, the M&Ms, the Airwick. Those did not reset. But the Purell, those will never reset. So I just wanted to share with you guys new coupons to print. Definitely print those Colgate ones. Those are good ones in case you guys, can't get as much inserts. And they go quick. Usually they go quicker than what they are. But just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.